This is the study guide for section 8.1. It tells you what a quadrilateral is. It also tells you about the parts. Are the parts consecutive or opposite? We called these non-consecutive in our other videos. They tell you what a diagonal is. So all that information is there for you to use. Also, the videos that we made on the lesson discuss this as well. So here's quadrilateral WXYZ. Name all the pairs of the opposite sides. So opposite sides don't touch. So segment WZ and segment XY are opposite sides. Also, the left side and the right side are opposite. Segment WX and segment ZY. Number 2, name all pairs of consecutive angles. Consecutive angles are angles that are next to each other. Those are the angles that share a segment, like angle W and angle Z, or angle Z and angle Y, or angle Y and angle X. Or angle X and angle W. They asked for angles, so make sure you put the angle mark in front. When they ask for sides, make sure you put the segment mark over top. Name the diagonals. The diagonals connect non-consecutive vertices. So segment XZ is a diagonal. Also, segment WY is a diagonal. Number 4 says name all pairs of consecutive vertices. Your consecutive vertices are the vertices that are right next to each other. So it looks just like this, only vertices are points. So you don't need to put the angle mark in front. So it's the same answers. Point W and point Z. Point Z and point Y. Point Y and point X. Point X and point W. Name all pairs of opposite angles. Your opposite angles would be like angle W and angle Y. They're asking for angles, make sure you put the angle mark. Also angle Z and angle X. Wanted to make sure we went over this really well. For whatever reason, people really get confused on this. It's probably because you're not reading and you're not following through. Maybe you didn't watch the other videos. Find the missing measures in each figure. We know that each quadrilateral, no matter what shape it is, if it's got 4 sides, if it's a quadrilateral, it's got 360 degrees in it. So for number 6, you have 3 of the angle measures. You need to find the other one. So it's really simple. You can start with 360 degrees, and you can start subtracting away the angle measures that you have. So this angle is 47 degrees. And I'll actually show my work here. 360 minus 91 minus 133 minus 89 equals 47. You could do the same thing here. Same thing here. Down here it starts getting a little bit different. You can't subtract x plus 50 from whatever your angle is, because you end up with 2 of these x's. So it's better for these ones to use your algebraic equation. So if you would write down your 4 angle measures, we know that those 4 angle measures add up to 360. Combine your like terms. 2x plus 125 and 105. That gives you 230. 230 plus 50 gives you 280. So we're going to subtract 280 from 360. That gives you 80, and then divide by 2. So x is 40. So that angle's 40 degrees, and this angle down here is 90 degrees. That's 40 plus 50. That's how you do this one, and that's how you do this one. Write an equation and solve.